If you understand English but struggle to speak, if sentences form in your mind but don't come out smoothly, if you've ever felt stuck, nervous, or unsure while speaking, then this video is exactly what you need. Imagine practicing English every single day without a teacher, without a partner, and without feeling embarrassed. Imagine having someone available 24/7 who listens to you, asks you questions, corrects your mistakes, and helps you become fluent step by step. That's exactly what you're going to learn today. This is not theory. This is real practical speaking practice you can start right now using AI tools like ChatGPT. If you truly want to become confident, fluent, and natural in English speaking, stay with me till the end, because this method can completely change the way you learn English. Today we are going to talk about something very powerful and very practical. Most people learn English for years. They study grammar, they read books, they watch videos, but when it comes to speaking, they freeze, they hesitate, they feel nervous. The biggest reason is simple: lack of daily speaking practice. Speaking is a skill, and like any skill, it improves only when you practice it regularly. Now think about this. What if you had a partner who could talk to you anytime, morning, afternoon, or night? Someone who never gets tired, never judges you, and always helps you improve. This is where AI comes in. Tools like ChatGPT can become your personal English speaking partner. You don't need perfect grammar to start. You don't need big vocabulary. You just need to start speaking. The goal is not perfection. The goal is communication. When you use AI, you can practice speaking in a safe and comfortable environment. Start with something very simple. Open ChatGPT and ask it to talk with you in English. You can say, "Ask me simple daily questions in English." Now the AI will start asking you questions like, "What did you do today?" or "What is your favorite food?" Your job is to answer. Speak your answer out loud. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. For example, if the question is, "What did you do today?" you can answer, "Today I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to work and I eat lunch with my friend." Maybe your grammar is not perfect, but you are speaking. That is what matters. After you answer, you can ask ChatGPT to correct your sentence. You can say, "Correct my sentence and make it natural." Then you will see the improved version. This helps you learn the correct way without stopping your speaking practice. Another powerful method is describing your day. Every day, spend 5 to 10 minutes talking about your day in English. You can say what you did, where you went, what you ate, who you met. This builds fluency because you are using real-life language. You can also practice situations. For example, ask ChatGPT to act like a shopkeeper, a teacher, or a friend. Then start a conversation. This is called role play, and it is very effective. You learn how to respond in real-life situations. Many learners say, "I don't have confidence." Confidence comes from practice. The more you speak, the more comfortable you become. At first, it may feel strange, but slowly it becomes natural. Pronunciation is another important part. When you practice with AI, you can also listen and repeat. Try to copy the way sentences are spoken. Speak clearly and slowly. Speed will come later. Make English part of your daily routine. Just like you eat food every day, you should speak English every day. Even 10 minutes daily can create big improvement over time. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait until your grammar is perfect. Start now with whatever you know. Small steps every day will lead to big results. Use simple sentences. For example, I am going to the market. I like watching movies. I am learning English. These simple sentences build your foundation. Gradually, you can increase your level. Start asking and answering longer questions. Talk about your opinions. Talk about your goals. Talk about your experiences. If you make mistakes, don't stop. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something new. The more mistakes you make, the more you improve. Another great idea is to record yourself. Speak for 1 minute and record your voice. Then listen to it. You will notice your mistakes and your progress. Consistency is the key. One day practice will not change everything, but daily practice will. Make a habit. Even if you are busy, give at least 5 minutes. You can also ask ChatGPT for daily topics. It can give you new questions every day so you never run out of ideas. This keeps your practice interesting. Fluency is not about speaking fast. It is about speaking smoothly without long pauses. Focus on clarity and confidence. If you follow this method regularly, you will see changes. You will start thinking in English. You will respond faster.